Have you ever wondered what it's like to develop a groundbreaking innovation? Let's discover the pioneering work of female scientists in the field of chicken probiotics.
Chickens are the main carriers of disease-causing bacteria such as Campylobacter, Salmonella, E. coli, and others. But antibiotics are becoming ineffective against these diseases. This is why we need alternative solutions to reduce these harmful bacteria in chickens.
Our innovation will prevent the spread of bad bacteria from chicken to humans, and on top of that, this will be achieved by a very safe and sustainable way, just by adding our patented bacteria to chicken feed.
Our women researchers contribute to a variety of ideas and innovative solutions in their work. Their participation in IP ecosystem not only benefits themselves, but also society as a whole.
Women's voices in science and technology are increasingly heard. Their ideas, their creativity and ability to collaborate are of immense importance in today's world of turmoil. We should encourage women to join entrepreneurship, to protect their IP. This will speed up innovation and will help us